Flush valve. Characteristics: humanized design, certain water volume, strong flushing power, rotating with 360 degrees, fixed bayonet, high overflow capacity, flexible choice. How to choose a flush valve. 1. Confirm one-piece toilet or two-piece toilet. 2. Measure diameter of cistern drain hole to true suitable size. 3. Measure the height of cistern from bottom to top. 4. Measure thickness of cistern lid. 5. Measure the size of push button, diameter of round hole, length and width of square hole. Flush valve installation method. 1. First, rotating the body and pulling out gently. Rotating stainless steel elbow to the bottom. 2. Pull the stainless steel elbow into flushing hole. And make sure the silicone seal is fitted with flushing hole. The angle between overflow pipe and system flush hole center line should be 45 degrees, and the height of overflow pipe shall be 2 cm lower than height of system. Finally, lock the screws until it's not leaking. 3. Put the body into flushing base and adjust it properly. 4. When red full adjustment plate is turned up, water volume for full flush is reduced. When turned off, water volume is increased. When the half flush part is turned up, water volume is reduced. When turned off, water volume is increased. Push button installation. First, turn off button nut, then put it into cistern lid hole. If button rod is too long, cut down long part. Adjust the button rod again and lock the nut. Make sure there's 1 mm between rod and metal dome. If the bottom is too long, it will cause water leaking. If too short, it will reduce water volume or no water volume. Finally, discern full flush and half flush and lock the button nut.